Hello everyone and welcome to Best Bet Trades. I'm going to be going over SPY with you just for a little bit today. But first, if you could, before I do that, please click that like and subscribe button so you do not miss an episode of Best Bet Trades and everything that we have to offer. So here we go. I'm going to dive right in here and get to it on the daily on SPY. Didn't close so well. Ended on a bearish note. Um, got down to a support level where it kind of hung around, so that's one good thing. But it's just not turning over well for SPY lately. It's just been on a downtrend. But if you noticed here on this downtrend, every 4 to 5 days, it has a little spike up. And here's another area. So if you go with the patterns and you really look at the way that this thing's been flowing, every 4 to 5 days you can suspect there's going to be a drop off or a run or a reversal in some cases. So we're going to go to the 5-minute here and look at where it finally found support, which is, I'm surprised. I'm surprised it found support at all, based on the way it ran yesterday. It just would not stop dropping. Today, though, I'm kind of glad to see this reverse W here, ending on a 415, about 80, 415.80 for support level, which is good, and if it can maintain that level, it may test previous resistance at 419.35. That's the previous day low. If it reaches there and can make that resistance support, then it may even go up further to fill next key level of resistance, which would be about 422.70 and 426.95 all the way up. But if it finds resistance and then support there, and then the next level of support, it's got gaps way up there, 435.50, 443.63. So it has the potential to go up there and fill that gaps. If you believe in the gap method, you already know about 90% of gaps need filled, get filled. I mean, that's just the way the stocks run. But it has to find that support to finally test that resistance, and it's just not fully there yet. If you're looking at this and you take this on more of a bearish trend or a bearish roll, which it's looking like it is going to be trending over the next day, maybe two, at least the next day, because if you're just going off the daily chart, it's just trending that way. It does not look well. The candle just does not bode well. If it can't find support at 415.80, it may drop off. It may drop off to 411, or I'm sorry, 411.80. Yeah, and that would be another level of support. If it just cannot find support there and breaks through, I mean, you're talking 400 and lower. This thing has multiple gaps below as well to fill. Which way will it be? Which way is it going to run? I was thinking yesterday that it may test it somewhere around here. It just didn't want to. It kind of leveled out and still ended up dropping anyway for the day. And overall the next 2 days. So SPY's, it's got to find that ground. It's got to find that footing. The volume hasn't been there as of late. Today, look at that volume, 164.773 mil above the average. That gave it a lot of push, and that really helped get it back up to where it was today. But if the last couple days, 60 million, maybe touching 100 million, just not where it was to do the damage that it needs to do. So having a look at all that and seeing where SPY needs to go in order to find the support to move up to the next level of resistance, let's look with BBT indicators and see where you could have used our indicators in order to best map out your trading day today. And of course, today was a little rocky in the beginning. There's certain methods that you follow, right? You got to wait till a certain candle before you get in. You have to make sure that it is closed above or below a previous day low, which right here is your previous day low, or previous day high, whichever way it's trending. And you have to make these certain assessments and these certain rules for yourself that you got to follow, and you will succeed. But here it is with our indicators on, and this just helps so much more. From open to close, you have everything you need right here in the candles. The volume of the candles are outlined. When it's green and it starts to get a little red, you know it's losing steam and it goes down. These indicators also too, just another great useful tool to understand that, hey, this is red, but it's also gaining some steam and it's got green outline, and it runs all the way to oversold. So, it's just BBT indicators, awesome to use. They really help out with your trading all over. 5-minute, daily, all over. So with that, I appreciate you guys sticking around, watching the video. Again, like, subscribe. Also, check out the free Discord. It has these indicators that can help you succeed in trade and much more, like call-outs, weekly call-outs, and just, a community where everyone can get together and talk stocks and life in general. So, again, I appreciate you guys hanging around. Like, subscribe. Best Bet Trades.